Kublai pi baro, pi apet ya ka rikasi channel, yun ra pi ya ka tu kubor jong katayo. Kimat bukongsan. Minjur ka sarkar ban penkiw ya ka khusna Meghalaya Day Award. Ka jingte ya ka KTMI kaladab, ong UCEM. Syakbe da kispa ngut kibar jela, bawan bela klem kot klem sla, ha ka KSU. Kamdon satya ka work permit ya ki beriyo ki bawan tray belana ba ang ukonran. Belait ka sarkar ya ka Hello Meghalaya OTT platform karensan ban kentiyo ya kisam. Kino badawa uba doni ban siyo 10% na ka cash award siya ka MSKF. Bat kiwek-wek kubor. Kini apay man siya ki kubor ba niya? Hakas ni balang jong katayo ka sarkar jela kala minjur ban penkiyo ya ka khusna Meghalaya Award naga shilak siya ka arlak tingka.
Mentirang ba ka jela konat ke sang mau laong ba ka nega khusnam kala ne nadu usnem al jar khatsau. La pentip ba nang ne shikmat ki ba apply ban yo ya ka nega khusnam kila ban tap da ka online khnang ban pensuk ya ki ba apply. Ha ka wei ka liang mentirang ba la pentip ba ka sarkar menta ka sngi kala manjur ru ya ka Meghalaya Public Commission Policy al jar pusau. Kane ka policy kala sa teng la kham slem namar ba ka tna DIPR kamla ban le ha ka rukom ka babiang.
The revision of the guidelines for the Meghalaya Day Awards. So we have made 2 changes in this. The first is that we have decided to increase the amount of award from 1 lakh to 2 lakhs. As you know that this was done last in 2013. So therefore we feel the amount of 1 lakh may not be significant or sufficient. So we have decided to double it. So now from 1 lakh it will be increased to 2 lakhs. And number 2, we have decided to also make the applications now online, which means it doesn't have to be sent through a particular department. Now individuals can recommend other individuals also through an online system, like is done for the Padma Shri and other national awards. We are also now opening it up, broadening the entire process so that more people can recommend names directly through the online system. The last agenda that we have taken up today was the approval for the Meghalaya Public Communication Policy 2024. And I'm sure you all are aware about this also because some consultation was done with the media also. And as you're aware that this policy is pending for a long time in the sense that the DIPR has not really been able to perform in an optimum manner and be able to do the different responsibilities and activities that a DIPR should be doing. And hence, this particular policy will now streamline the entire strategy in which the government to people connect and the government to people communication, the different aspects of having the different infrastructures and different systems in place, small things like having different spokespersons in different departments, important departments to give immediate information to the press, and all these other aspects are there. I don't think there'll be enough time for me to go through all the provisions of this particular policy. But as I said, it is mainly meant to kind of give a proper direction towards the communication between government and the citizens, and to also increase the overall trust and transparency in the system. And that's why this policy has been brought in, and this policy today was approved by the cabinet.
Ka sarkar jela kala kentiyo ya ka jingmang pisa ya ka GSW SS Phase 3 sa kumbalay siya wat hadian bala penslem ya ka jing pentray kam ya ka project. Nakaliang jong ka himamaw plang dangsyan kalada ban ay ya ka no objection certificate siya ka tanat PHE. Nakabenta ki kamban maramat hakabayaday bat ka Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme Phase 3.
Halo kene Menteri Ketenat PHE Marcos Marak ulaong ba ka jingkentiu ya ka jingmang pisah ke balai syak menta ki kontraktor keladon kamon bantrei no ya kene ke project.
Yes, I'm very glad to say that Greater Shillong Water Supply Scheme has kicked off because we have received the NOC from the Himamaw plant and we are starting the works now. So once this patch 3 is commissioned, I think most of the issues in Shillong city will be addressed.
How long it will take now for the completion?
It will take some time because there are different components of work which needs to be completed. Others are completing almost. So basically the pumping station has to be constructed there. So it will take some time.
So is there any cost escalation due to the delay?
Yes, we have enhanced the actual estimate which was prepared long time back. We have enhanced it for 3 consecutive times because of this delay. So therefore now with the 3rd enhancement, even the companies and contractors are also willing to work.
So how much is the current cost?
I don't have the exact figure with me right now, but we have enhanced for the 3rd time.
So is there are you giving any deadline to the...
Definitely we will, make sure that the work completes very early.
So within how many years you want to finish?
It should not take years. I think by next, this thing will be able to, we are trying our level best to complete next, hopefully before the next monsoon, we are trying our level best.
Ka National Commission for Women NCW, kan pelong ya ka jingwat benia ha ka bayade bat ka jingkio, jong ki babun ki long kami ki baklam lok ha jala Meghalaya. Ka balong ka jala ka ba ki babun ki ajat syaka kami.
Abai kelmat kilat patai ku bor ka chairperson ka NCW Rekha Sharma kalaong ba ha Meghalaya ladaya thu ba ki don bon kilong kmi baklam lok da ka jingle don bor don kam palat banwal pnia kumta kalaong ba kan sabtha ekakong dilana kong dup khot NCW banwal pnia bat pit ya ka ka ba ka NCW kala ban yarap.
Single mothers by choice. If they are by choice, I think there is no need to intervene. If they have become by accident or raped by somebody or forced by somebody, that's a different issue. There we can intervene and help her out. But if they are single mother by choice, that's their right. Yeah, if you are suggesting that there are many by forcefully they are becoming single mother, I would happily work on it and do a research. I'll ask Delina to do research and we'll see how we can help them.
CEM ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council uba penyat sing CEM hapo ka dorbar liur jong ka KHADC hakas ni balang ula penpau bala dep bante ya ka Khasi Traditional Medicine Institute KTMI ya ka ni ula penpau kum ka jubab ya ka jingkali balawan ra da MDC ka nongpo uba bala jed rani halor ka jinglong jingman jong ka ni ka jaka pulie kabadon haulum sobet beneng kabade ka nongkenti jong ka KHADC
UMDC nang po la panding syairu halor kene ke jaka IG hikai ba ke ka kam ba kalale la ki jingtoi kam jongka kila yai ne em bat la don ne em kinong hikai halor kene usi em mula ong ba kene ke project ke de ke bala sa teng la slemha henry menta la ban pendep
object ke again for the supplementary question will number hoy ka de ke shisha nomor baik ini ke project la bun Islam kala sustain but lalu koordinasi yang baru juga kita persiap kepala but kita start kita ni kamu kita besar kalau bisa ada sekarang kita ada external electrification risiko kemudian dia transformer berwarna electricity ke campus data yang ke water storage tank but ini kami bagi sudah pan tray kita ya gawe ini kami ke water tank storage ila perlu basah pula nak minta capacity bagi la store di ko hadu sila santo ajar liter dekani kan yarap se ban betul betul kita bagi jibat kami ko te kami ini pat kami ka jibat dalam data external electrification ante untuk transformer di mana kan perlu ya body nak kena begini juga seal syaka emisian bahawa kebentuk pakai internal electrification kalau aku sawat punya kerja. Batnya kali ni nak sudah clear, but nak kalian ke initial stang bermanfaat install yang di transformer. Ni tangkap Mr. Chairman saya kata, but nak kalian minggu tak berkait bila hak reminder dan kita akan keluar. But aku nak kalau Mr. Chairman saya ini suku bah Khasi Traditional Medicine Commission KTMC hangin dan terus hak jikrekam kemal tentang Chairman Secretary nanda staff sama. De kami kakam kaba pur kaba nilai kalau batch pan pedian ye ki application to ki real jumi ki bawan ban kuah activity recognition kat kum kani ka Khasi Traditional Medicine Act jumi de but hadu anda ni la ada issue ki certificate kumba shispa tam kuli namun bila itu kumba shispa tam kina semar dawai turai dan mencisi ni nak ada ban ai ke balai kedua de bat ni kerana sekarang ba ni nangla ban rekam ban itu kampur tu aktiviti polisi berwan de kasulong pan ka bideng pat banyak keren ya ka jing function jong ka Khasi Traditional Medicine Institute halu sa plan kami ke basuk yang ni ke council ban run ya kali nama ba leader kami ki professional. Nama ba kani rekam ka kamu Mr. Chairman sir, but nama ta kata nak kalian juni ka executive committee nila perkhat ba nila shim ya karai ban invite ya kini ki interested firm ban I ki expression of interest ada kin kwa panran ya kini ka institute dekum makalong lakran pun balai sautuli ki firm yang sa I kita di siapa yang member. But nak ini kita biar hak kita lakukan perluan air presentation ketika calls kepada full form ketika Center of Learning and Knowledge and Services kepada ini nak koshlo. But nak kena kami tidak perkat bah lakukan kami ban outsource ini di project itu council aset. Nama bah isuku tang kabur job council kena melakukan betul-betul ini kakam, bahkan stasiun pensniu ke building ke badat day, hajimut ke babon, bahkan nama kita tahu nak kalian ni bahkan ni ke firm kan setang menpendat ke agreement, bahkan executive committee, dia ke bahkan stasiun dino dan betul-betul ini kakam. Ladat wai, dia ke ingin ayah ke firm dan terlebih di slice of the lawan kuai. Dia setang menpendat ke agreement, bahkan kami kata ba kuah bandun yang kalau berdiri belajar kita. Nomor ba kan yara ketika berdiri nang bagi babur kinong sumar dawai tenrai badan berarti jom di distrik Peroke. Hakau nak komedi bagi kamha kamjana yang timbat itu bala ulong dawai badan yang kata medicinal properties. But kibabur pakai jengkung timbat kibala pentai dengan supaya hakau pamashtau. Na bentaban yo ada perkiraan. De wat ban tesu yang bidi bertemu ban pak ini. Nama ba bunsil PE ki nong smart dawai sebab berai. Kiswatan itu kibilon nasurok. Bat ngintip kisah ada kisah kila he ki dawai lajak itu. Bakit menekam period. Dengan iba ketika authority apa cuma nika act kebalayo atau yang council nin hak can check what is the quality, what packaging, what kibay. Dan nasa yang jadi Mr. Chairman sir, sehat kata ni nampak lah, dan nomor terkenal ni berkam dengan IT yang ketika itu share ketika firm. Dan kita Mr. Chairman sir juga ada ini.
Ka sarkar jala kasni balang jong katayo. Kalarai ban penwai no ya ka Meghalaya State Housing Board MSHB parkan aino da ka voluntary retirement scheme ya kinong trei baro.
Menjerang ba ka jela konrat kisang ma loong ba kene kede karai ke basa teng la slemha ha ka ba kinong trei kila kerpa de ke sarkar ban le kham kloi. Ka sarkar jela kala shin me kene ke senjam menta ke sngi ban penkut no sindon ya ka. La ban kedau ba kane kedai ketenat ke baju airam ban snayeng ya kibru ha kejela henre kelam nang tron kat ba nang yat kisngi bat kendu mau siang kala pelong ya ke sarkar ban simno ya kane ke sinjam.
The housing board basically there is not much activity under the housing board as of now. and it has been a long pending demand. In fact, I think for more than a decade, if I'm not wrong, I can't remember exactly, but for more than a decade, if I'm not wrong, the employees also have been asking. As I said, the activities also have been bare minimum, and the salaries of the employees also has been fluctuating, and sometimes they don't receive the salaries as it's a board, an independent board. So therefore, all these aspects led to the request also from the employees that they would like the board to be dissolved, and based on that, this decision was made. Yeah, so that's the basic idea. These are basically, if you remember, that the housing schemes were actually boards. This board was set up to avail loans from HUDCO and LIC, GIC and NIC and all these things way back in 88, 89. So therefore now, respective departments or others or individuals, can have other mechanisms of now getting loans. So therefore the basic functioning of this particular board is not there anymore.
For these 18 employees, how much will be the?
There is a basic rule which is followed in general, in principle, which of course I don't have details of that because it's like a specific. I mean, it is here, but I don't recall it. It's a bit slightly complicated formula. But for the 18 employees, the financial impact is 7,42,32,545. I won't call it non-working. It's not the correct nomenclature, but yes, we have to sit down and maybe introspect, look at all the aspects, and do what is in the best interest of everybody. So wherever we are seeing that there is a challenge, and we are seeing that there is some kind of a consensus also building up, we are talking to different agencies and different boards to look into this aspect. And yes, it is being considered, but as I said, whenever we take a decision like this, we would always like to take the stakeholders on board.
O Menteri Kena ke Ministry for Minority Affairs, U George Kurian, hakasining kong, ula kentaj ban ai jubab ya ke jingkeli, babale u Menteri Rangba do keri, u Narendra Modi, u kiara ban yo kejat syaga jelam Manipur, kabarang don hapdeng ketma ya perjai benrin.
Ula ong badai ban pej ha yang darbar parlimen Menteri Rangba du ula ai jubab ya ke jingkeli halor kene ke kam.
See, in the parliament, Prime Minister answered the question and about this issue. I don't want to say anything more than that.
Well,
What don't you think as a Prime Minister he should have visited Manipur?
You can think.
Don't you think yes?
You think no problem, sir. You ask, no problem. You can think.
No, I'm asking you.
You can think. I am telling. I told my answer. It is full stop.
Are you visiting Manipur?
That I will say. One day I will say.
Not one day.
Now.
Upcoming day.
Your order is there.
Not order.
Yes. I obey the order. Obey the order.
Not order. We are people, sir. We are people.
You are people. Yes. That is why I am telling. I obey the order.
So what is the reason, sir, that Prime Minister Modi is not visiting Manipur?
I told the answer.
No.
We did not get any answer.
You did not make any answer.
I told that the Prime Minister explained it in the Parliament. I don't want to say anything more than that. You ask again. Please ask again.
Why is not?
I am having 5 minutes. I am having 5 minutes. You ask. I will
What
sit
is
here.
the reason?
Yes, ask.
Yeah, what is the reason?
Yes, ask.
So
this is your.
Yes, ask.
Why is he not?
Yes, ask. You are having the freedom to ask. The press is having the freedom to ask. Then I am giving time. 5 minutes you ask. I told the answer. Then you have the freedom.
Hakasining kong jong katayo, ka chairperson jong ka National Commission for Women and SW, ka Rekha Sharma, kalapinte ba ka commission kala ajing erap menta yaki kintay reolo, bakin seng yaki kam haki jaka klaw, kamtam haki jaka bamdon ka jingtung din.
Abakan ciklal patai ko bor kareka kalaong ba kene kade ka way na ki senjam batamai ka ba ka NCW kala sim kerpang na ka benta ki kente ka tain chete lamingi na marbur ki kente ka tain ki de ki rulom pat ki don chibun ba ki klau ha ka tain kumno kinla ban kinpiu ya kiyok ka kot ta ka batre ha ki khlaw bro la tip ba ki kin the ki tip haj pang ki khlaw bat ki jing thum jing tep ki badon haki la ka dei ki kimbat ta wai ne kino ro
of capacity building tribal women and women who are residing around the forest to start their business or work in forest in the area of non-timber forest produce. This is one of the very new initiative which NCW is taking, especially for the northeastern women, because most of the northeastern women are tribals and there are many forests around northeast. So how they can increase their income by working in the forest in these areas which is non-timber produce in the forest. We all know that women know and they have the knowledge about the forest and the produce of the forest, whether it is about herbal trees, about any new thing which are in the forest. But to increase their capacity, we have tailor-made this program, and it is 2 days program. There are many speakers, many resource persons who are working in this area, and they'll be teaching these women how to start their own business with these produce, and whether it is something herbal or ecotourism, or they can work in forest in managerial jobs, how they can be part of decision making in the work of forest areas. So this is the first program we have started from Shillong, and I hope this will be helpful for the women of Meghalaya.
Ka Shillong Municipal Board ha ka jing yalam jong u Assistant License Officer u ba pingro ba katanat Labor Department but Food Safety ha ka jing don ringkat ka FKJGP Central Body bat ka jing senran lang jong ki bor Magistrate ba ki bor Pulit ka East Khasi Hills District bat ka Laim Kra Police Station kilalet ban hiar ban khenrai ki kot kisla jong ki nong bu dukan bat nong trei barjala Hakithan polo ter shedem senyong hakasingin kong jong katayo.
Katba na kaliang katnat labor ka check ki kot kisla jong ki barjala ki batre haki dukan ba per na kaliang ka food and safety ka balit ka bapet ya ka khoj ka suba jong ki dukan ki bade ki dukan bam ha ka jurep lalap badon kato kane ki dukan sha diary lalap babam le khoj nalor bakim don ya ka labor license na ka food safety but labor kila pha khang no ya ki te ki dukan.
Puan kan Mbak? Puan. Kawan cukup. Meski nak kalian seng, kumbar seng ke juyat, nak pos ke por ban kendra. Yang ini ke trading license, berkunjuk ke labor license. Maknanya meski, entah si Patrick, Julai, Arja Uksal, tempal ju dokumen. Yang kalian di department per lawan ban dan rekat lang ini meski, naduk ke Shillong Municipal Board, ada ke KHDC, nak ke labor department, berkunjuk ke food and safety. Bat ni iba ini ke jingkra ya ka trading license bat ka labor license ka ski ibun ba ilap babun ba ki dukan hakani ka than iba ki dan ki dukan ki bamdan ya ka trading license bat kumju ibun ba ki dukan ki ba kam renew ya ka trading license la kumba sisnam la ni arsnam bat habai dei bat kani ni kong so man kwa ban pensyai sapi ba ni la pet haba yakini ki dukan kwa ban ai ka message ba di ban pet swa haba pi apply ya trading license ba ban pediang ya kidukan ki jongki ba hang tu rules and regulation ko atho sai ba kidai ban apply ya ka trading license na ka municipal board ba kumju shwa pin apply ya ka trading license kidai ban board kat komit kendon ka balabu da municipal ni ba so ban kentu ka municipal ru ba kidai ban simkhya na ka port ba kidai ban check amba na ka seng niru ya ban mi na port la da ka department hi isim kya ban check ya trading license bat kunju ka labor license tina kaliang seng ru niru ni kloi ban ni khmat kan kap ki nomor ngi iba kani ka jing bam renew ya ki license na jong ki dukan ba per ki badan kani ka than iba ka don ka jing do nong ya ka jelahi bat kunju department hi te kuntan kaliang seng i kentu ba ki di bat sim kya na kaliang ka municipal ba ki di ban sim kya ban check ya ka trading license nomor ngi kat kum kitu ki rules ba tang hadu lifeway tarik march ka trading license kalong valid tang sistem bat hadin ka lifeway tarik you ki dukan kila dei ban renew ya ki license ki jongki nomor kat kum ka an ka rules ru jong ka municipal ngi iba hadin news ni ka di ban issue ka notice sa ki dukan ni kitu ki ban ban renew ya ki license ki jongki tin kaliang jongi ru ngi iba ngi yo jutep babun ki dukan ki bam renew ki license ni ni ski ba pulong ngi ba mi khmat ban 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 check ni ka trading license kunjuk ki labor license
Ka Khasi Students Union KSU hagas ngining kong jong katayo kalanang penjer ya ka jing talasi work permit bat labor license na gibar jela bat kala beru ya ki spa ngut ki bar jela ki ba claim ki kot kisla ki babiang
ya kane kijing telasi la pelong ha katain maulai bat mau prem bat kadi ru si benta ban penbor ya ke sorka bakan penteri kam no mador ya ke inner line permit ILP bat ke Meghalaya Resident Safety and Security Act MRSSA aja kan riu ha kane kijing telasi kala don ru kijing yara plakat ke badon ya kijing tho ngi don ya ka KHAD trading but non tribal regulation khat kendai san bukendai ngidon ya ke Interstate Migrant Workmen Regulation of Employment and Conditions and Service Act khat kendai nyau kendai kilala banyak kun ya ke jingrung kertep ki ba jela hendai kito ki badon ha kabor kim kwa setia ban menteri kam yaki kumta ngi ke Khasi Student Union ngidon ya ke hok ban menteri kam ya ki ain bala don lupa lane ban thau ai na ka benta ke jai penriu aba kito ki badon kabor kim shim lale ai
Kalian ka isu mo prem sakil naru mana step ngalai kenra abi de work permit lagi benta juga ni ka mo prem di moba program di lain
dari kana sini nakalian gajungi berkikot untuk step kami serta nilai kenra kabangi layo bankiam bun di Barjela tiba ajan poi di Kispa tiba trei di Kikam kisai tiba per tiba kampot kamsla nakalian gaseng nak kapor ujukan mau ke sarkar tapi dia begini ke bentang bat pembangi juonghi mengidan kami ke LP kumjuru bahkan petri kamno ya ke MRSSE dan nakalian juga seng lagi gisngi kani ke ditang kajing sedang maka di ngakar go kubur sabarok ki nong petri lagi site repair dari kontraktor di praying dari ki pentri ki nung ki brio bikin petri lam bagi kot isla dari kam ki kot isla nakalian gaseng minum sya bikin tray bangin be ngi jaka kumangila ale meneh de tang kita hi nakalian gaseng kani ke go kubur pengapak sok po ga barok ki nong senong di badan kani ga put sam juga mapuram sarkin manang ni sakman kumangala ban meneh pakajing kendra mindang kendra bat minum song thai public sebuah KSU cầm chui song thai KSU cầm chui song thai KSU cầm chui song thai mat chapram Polri
em phi thì bang teri phi thì kalau jom dari ini pada kemenang kawak kornet kami dah pasang phi
mi baterai ini ilang baterai
Baik, guru. Stop. Baik, guru. Nakalian ka isu masakel lokasi ka ayo berkenrai di Barjela baterai po than mulai nakalian isu ka ayo ban phana sing caka bikiwan ka ayo ban bat adu sepakat nyongot basu thumula lai ba tang rengot nasi sepakat nyongot tang rengot tidak badan tek nai nakalian bastam macam belum tek nakalian kesen hi kapaka sarkar hi kapaka petrikam ya ka ALP kapaka petrikam ya ka MRSSE nakalian kesen kadi tarung sedang ngai smart niai smart banginang kendra teknik minder ba panbala pian kemiak kau permit nakali ka beri nyukrap han mulai jongi berpoe
Namar ka jingbamla jong ka sarkar jila ban pentre kam ya ka work permit pat ka MRSSE kumjuru ka jing penslam ban penyo ya ka ILP ka KSU nong thamai circle ha ka jing khandra work permit jong ka kalala bahdu shispa khandai puengut ki barjela ki bambiang ya ki ko jing penshisha pat kumta ka seng kala pensangye tari kam no yaki pat kala pha bakin lik phai no ya kani ka jing khandra la yalam dau riban sing nongrum General Secretary KSU Nong Thamai Circle.
Orang anu tempat apa sendirinya?
Pak sosial media kan nih?
Hei, balik noh. Ada pet deh.
Mình có nghe ngài khúc lê kỳ khót trong các kỳ siêu nông thôn sakil kỳ ba lai la pandan banta lang bat ngi kan singi boro singi akaba nilawan ban checking ya boro ki caka ki badi ki construct akani ka area trong ka ki siêu nông thôn sakil ngi na kalian trong ka ki siêu nông thôn sakil nilalap sibun ki barjala ki belawan ban 13 kan ka caka ki bangi lalap akan ki singi bangi layu ban total kilong sispa kandai puengut te kini ki barok kilong kiba nakaliang sorkar kamsim kia bat kamsim dan ganu kat cing trekam kaban pentrekam mikamat kaba ngi nakaliang kaseng ngi dawa kum ka LP ban pentrekam no ya ka MRSSA henrai kasurkar hi menta kaya kuman nakapor sekapor henrai mentai ngi nakaliang kaseng ngi bansing haban simtihi ban haban trehi kakam bat mangin tretang menta kasian ringin nangyay budin nakapor bat kasangi kum ka chutrei kan kam chu song thaj nakapor ngin yai trei bat ngin yai derkan te ngai kublei phi baro kit khat ki blai don mentalang kan kisngi te tangkatai kublei sibon
KSU cầm du sục thai KSU cầm du sục thai we want ILP implement MRSSA Mach perang KSU
Hagas ngi balang ka KSU la umkra unit kalayo ban kenra ya kinong trei barjala haki babun ki benta jong kesnong la umkra kilalap hadu andri pu arngut kinong trei barjala ibamdon satya ya ka work permit pat kumta ka seng kalapano ya ki bakin lik pai pat shala kisnong kitau ba kisong kisa
kat ba khat lai na pedeng kine kim don wat tang ke epic ru lai pholai ngot ki de na assam a phundai ki de na bihar hagane ga jing khandra lai lam do brandan sang plieng gsk su lai kra unit usam bor me ling do president KSU lai kra unit baladon lang u yashan bor lang mukim president KSU marki circle
हमको निकाल देगा हमको बोल दो आपको कॉन्ट्रैक्टर को सब वर्क परमिट होना चाहिए इतना सारे वर्क परमिट आपका वर्क परमिट होना चाहिए फिर काम कर और पुलिस और वेरिफिकेशन किस चाहिए No, you have to send them now. You cannot do this. I can. Let them all go.
Labor Department they should be present in fact. They know all this.
Construction site is going on here.
No, but they were not aware. Let's not have a subjective conversation. I just want to look at the exact laws. So we will also peruse through it right now. And then we will have to interpret it. That's why nga ngalaman so ngalaman. So very क्या बोले बन्नी गेट में इटू खाली इटू मांगता है लेबर कार्ड हाँ ये वाला लेबर कार्ड सबको इसलिए सबका पास है ये क्या गेट में बन्नी गेट में सब इटू खाली मांगता है लेबर कार्ड
Semua macam mana buat ID kerja? Lain cara kau dulu. Lain apa? Kau lain cara kau dulu.
Marcha perang! Glória! Marcha perang! Glória! Marcha perang! Glória! Islam! KSU! Islam! KSU! Islam! KSU!
We want
ILP!
We want
ILP!
Implement
MRSSA!
Implement
MRSSA!
Implement
MRSSA!
Mendakasi ke 10 Julai nakaliang juga isu lem kerak ni lawan sport ki site construction site ki ba pair hakaba nilalap bagi bun gini ki immigrant workers ki bade na po Shabar juga jela kambuni ki bade na po Assam ki ba kidon ngatu ni bobiang ki pat Islam kidon ki ba ki bomdan hirup kita ki epic ki Aadhaar ki documentation ki balapan sisa bagi diki residence jongka India te haju por kumba ila baju penrap ya jikran jogi presiden mene abi yang bagi dan ki minus ru te ki liberals ki barang dei hapo khat prasnam te nimtep bana kaliang jongka infiltration gile yu na kaliang jongka ki bari bon pek ki officer jo kalibo department ki bon check ne kita ko mangni hapo ka Manipur bahawan ru nilalap ya kata te ba kimbiang ya kani ka work permit ni la shem ya ka sinjam da ka ba ni la pha no iki nong tre shala kishnong itha gi jungki ba tat anda kila biang ya ka work permit ni sa insala kon wat tre biang kan ya jela ka jung te ka jung poru na kwa banong ba pi na kaliang jongka di borsnong hidupan baik perman ba nomor ba kila bun ba kini ki liberals di bon trace ni kiju wat yeng wai situ pat aga ju poru kiju anda kila ayo yeng wai claim the register hasnong athau ki wanialam ya kilok ki kun ki ju ki kimi ki pa ju ki bat adin kandiat katu anisnam kila yo saka residential certificate kila kala ginong song gila yo saka epic bagi tabut te nakaliang jongka isu lem krak ni kedukan pam yaki borsnong rubakin baik perman baik kini ki ba amri bon ailat amar bayo ni se la shay hadin abut bon jinjar hi de ki bobut pateng ki bahadin ki jumi
ka KSU Malki Circle metasngi kala pelong ga jikra work permit jongki barjala go tre haposh na Malki hani ga jikra lalap ya ripu arngut ki brio ki bamdan ya ka work permit na pedeng kini alap kumba khalangut ki brio ki bamdan patang ka epic ru kaseng gale kini jikram tasngi komisi banta menyai dawa nak sarkar pedeng man pentrikam na ya ka inline permit makam juru menyai dawa nak sarkar jela makan pentrei na ya ka MRSSA ajar kan rio nimbakan ni kerwa kaseng kamaham ya baru ki kontraktor ki bawan pentrei kam hani hasno malki bakim dei banwanya lam ya ki breo ki bana barjala klem kanu ka kot kesla bat kamtam klem ka work permit
Menteri Rangba Kejela Konrad ke Sangma, ulapin pa ba kamdon satya ka work permit na kabenta kinong tre bela na bar jela. Hindi ka dontang ka jingbu kerteng ne registration. Bari ka ni ka jingbu kerteng lalia da katna labor jong ka sarkar jela na kabenta kinong tre bela.
Ya kene kejing bu kerteng la le katnat labor kejela na benta kinon tre bela. Kene kejing tren nu menteri Rangba kalong ha kapor baki seng bhalang kum ke KSU kala pelong ya kejing kenra ya ki ba jela pe wan tre bela ba ki de bandon ke work permit bat ki wei ki jing don kam. Ukon ra loong ba katnat labor kanshim kerteng ya kinong bela bat ban ai kejing snga ya ki. Ulang ba kade ke kamram u contractor ne unang yalam ban register ye kibriu bawan ra nabar.
No, there is nothing called work permit. There is a registration that is done by the Labour Department, and that is what is the only policy that is followed by our state. And this, as you know, was done by our government only in the first MDA1, and it's the Labour Department that looks into all these aspects. So, as I said, there's no work permit or nothing like that, but registrations are mandatory. And this is done, and this was done, if you recall, from all aspects. Number one, as I said, to provide safety for the respected individuals and laborers also, and also to keep a full database of the different laborers who are working in the state. So you have got a lot of facts incorrect. Let me just mention that to you. Number one, nobody is authorized to check these papers. That's number one. And nobody can. Of course, there are incidents where individuals go or organizations go and all, but that is not as per the law. So therefore, they are completely on the wrong side of the law when they go and check. And just to inform that the government and the police has in fact filed cases against, 4 cases have been filed, FIRs have been filed against different organizations who have done this in the past few days. Number two, you've mentioned that that individuals have or organizations have mentioned that government has failed to implement the ILP. There is the question of implementing the ILP doesn't arise because ILP has not been passed or not been implemented or not been enforced in the state of Meghalaya. We have passed a resolution in the state assembly that urging the government of India to implement the ILP in the state, but that has not been cleared yet. So the question of not implementing it doesn't arise. That's number two. MRSSA is a fact, again, you are aware that we had passed the MRSSA, made the amendments in it, but it was at the governor's level, and governor had then sent it or mentioned that it should be sent to the central government, Home Ministry, for President's assent. And accordingly, we had sent it. They had sent back and asking us to look into different aspects, which again, we are examining those aspects and seeing how to move forward because a lot of points have been mentioned by government. So the question of non-implementation doesn't arise. Regarding the question of different projects being stalled, no project has been stalled because of this kind of, checks, whatever they call it. I wouldn't call it checks. They are just simply coming and intervening and trying to, disturb these projects, which is not correct. These projects, whatever projects are going on, are in the interest of the state and the people. If anybody has any concerns and issues, they should follow and they should ask their departments to, find out and give a list. And of course, if anybody has any concerns, we're ready to inform and give them the information. But as I said, taking the law in their own hands and going and do the checking, social checking or whatever they may call it, is something that is actually not at all acceptable. And as I said, as per law and the provisions of the law, the police will take necessary action. Regarding the point that the contractors have to, it is a must. That's what the law says. So there is no question of any contractor not registering any of the laborers coming in from outside. So the law passed by the Meghalaya Assembly says that they should. My point being that if there are any contractors who are not doing, let the organizations, individuals, public inform the state government, and state government will then take the action. But individuals cannot take action, organizations cannot take action against this contract.
Ka all Khasi Meghalaya Tourist Taxi Association, kala kendu ya ka sarkar jela, bagan khangno ya ka jingsha banwan ki kali tourist, ki pakamay na shabar jela, ki bakit ya kinongwan jingok kai perthay, siya ki jakashang suwari ha Meghalaya.
Hakasiti balap Pak Syam Menteri Kesana Tourism ubak polling dok ke association kalak dia ya gejing jurip bana arja South Park lai penyau teliki kali na syabah jela kibaya haka jela manla kesngi kalak wanra kejing dunong ke bakrau ya kinong ya kali kibana ke jela ke association ke kuaru bantau ya kikindon halor kene kekam bat ban yada ya ke baha kemiat jong kinong ya kali try jela.
Ba ningkong siap habai bei shoi piki media iwan si bapol ke tourism minister gidi ke ba nakaliang ke ba ngikwa ba ka isu jungi ba ningkong ke ba ngikwa du snem bla dep arjar apply trek iwan nomba iwan kudu isu khang khang no touristic si ki ba na ba ke jala ba nek ta ki spot jungi yo don besuku wakrangan syai ba ikang tang nam taban kin touristic si ki bana bar kin bichu bane ki tourist spot jungi ki ban yalam kai ki ndai ni kwa bangi pani demand ni kwa bangi ong ke sokar ba in town no da ka ta policy bangi la ban ra bangi ki try local taxi ki badai ban ki tourist taxi ban ni jala jungi ban yalam kai sika ki tourist spot ki jungi
Terkait assurance ke pihak nang Menteri Sarkar lor nang jing dawa.
Oi, lor tu ke jing kwa jing dawa jungi. Di laong ini ba in wan in kedua yang ni insya Allah perkat kam bagi department jong tourism di badi pe ke tourism insya Allah kan kawan yang ini hadin artiyo. Hadin jong ni tarik kawan ni jong hadin gini sini kawan ni hadin ke artiyo.
Coba bila yo lo jing kengga malah tu jing kali rasa keluar mahkamah sini sepak kacula
nilai yo ada bahasa ai ke ka fotografi la paksim mo kidan ka member dong sai
amno kumbakat no teli ke sini
sini kita ke di kumba ko hajar duna kidan baik kot ru sidu kumlei khenlang ki posu ki kot kumba lai hajar duna tam dan dinai kali si jumi pa kiba yo ban kamai mat ko jing khen ke bangi yo ni kalong sanhajar saus pa tam kita bikin kalau kiba kali jumi kiba yo ban yang sisi kalong miksa ko shejar lan ni shejar tam we ni aru ta kiba yo ban kamai ni kiba puni kidi na bar jala kiba iki hajar tam bicis
Kekai kita kerja ni kebapi bo bahkan dia kerja kabar dari ni kibra ki wan po Assam hai kan kot kan di ISBT dah kan lu kerja kapat
halo kata ni la dipikiran ni minister mantan ba polling dot ni la ong bai sebun bai hadin RTO sempat ini penbaik ni bu ke center dia kata information center ringkat pat kibri jong sarkar ringkat lu pat ni kita balin dot kata benta lada ki menjur dia kata campaign ban khang no ekip spot ba di pandra kili banama
kata ni gajung urung ni victorious ki banabar ki victorious spot sora sing snong padang aduh kan lu bakta ikisia kom ki para mereka mai
kani kejing kita kalau kejing kita kalau hadu menta menin kajing kita kalau para driver balayo itu ke skim CM elevate tu idon sokar ka le nam ta jugi ni ta kilo ikna ki bamyo kam kila ai yaki kum kita ki skim banyo itu kali ndai babun na kaliang kita kali bat nangi kita kit sila kalau ba ngin siu bai kot ru teng ndangi penpiang sekali ngila du tit jak kau no ye ladangi penpiang ye kemut ngila du no ban siu ya ka ban renew ki bai kot bai kalau hadu kata ka jing
ni yo jing te ba kini ki tourist ki banabar idan ka jing dei ba kini ki hotel di badan hangde pat yaki si bon sin si kon de ki breu no hotel la ban ki agent ki bon ba ki khali ko ki customer jo ki ki jaka ban de jenu ban no ban
alor kita ki agency di badan hangi poka shillong ho ka jela ni ya kata ngin hapan ni song ki si meeting ma bangi hapan ni kren dan ni pat yo banyak iki kumnu banyarai rien ba sokar kala pat di atio ke ingin song ke ingin nyarai nam tak agency incident ni kren kalian juga session
ka KSU haksngi ba ar kala penpau ya kejing sngokia babuan na kibalik puli MBBS degree na general category hapo ka baha jong kejela kimwan pasyo ban shakri ya kejela.
I had an interaction with the KSU education cell on the proposed implementation of allocation of seats for medical studies MBBS by the state of Meghalaya. So the first thing was that we have seen a proportionate increase in numbers of seats allocated to the state of Meghalaya from its first allocation. Today, state in 2023 academic session, we got 94 seats. We hope that these numbers of seats will continue to proportionately increase in allocation. We are having some observations that are pertinent to the shortage of doctors in the state of Meghalaya. So alongside this allotment of seats by Government of India, the KSU and I had a conversation on the status of the medical college. And yes, both the medical colleges, the third medical college, which is the Barnihat Institute of USTM, and the USTM Institute also is progressing very well. We will have to have certain consultations with regards to the matters of doctors engaged in the teaching posts. So doctors in the state of Meghalaya retire like other government employees. There is an urgent need now to review this, especially for the doctors who are going to be engaged in the teaching profession. So that is something that we need to do. The other thing is that why is it that from year to year we are increasing the numbers of seats for medical college studies for the students of Meghalaya? Why is it that we still have this huge shortage? So we're going to be reviewing the bond. We're going to review all these important concerns to ensure that doctors who avail this from the state of Meghalaya return to the state of Meghalaya. So we are engaging with actively with the law department, where we will be reviewing and revisiting this policy so that we ensure that our doctors, our students who get into this privilege of getting these allocation of seats away from NEET qualification to a large extent, come back to the state of Meghalaya to serve the people of the state of Meghalaya. Then we were also able to attend to the problem that we had last year. We had a consult on that as well. Who are the eligible beneficiaries for an allotment of MBBS seat by the government of Meghalaya? The whole controversy that surrounded the PRC issuance of TCs. So all of that now is in better position, and we hope that as and when the court gives the nod to the government of India to start NEET counselling, we hope that by then we will be better placed and we will be able to do necessary interventions to ensure that all of these matters are attended to. Because for a very, very long time, doctors graduating from privileges given by state are seen not to come back to state. So all of that will be attended to, and we hope that as we see that there is competition in the application of the MBBS seat allotment, there should also be a responsible return to the state of Meghalaya.
Wala ka jing tokit kadang ya chakmat halor ka jing sami kitin sop yeng ki batat dor bat ki bastang. Henry Menteri Katanat Housing Marcus Marak ulapin pa bakat kum kakai pot ba ulayo ka jing reben kitin sop yeng balasam da ka company shimen kalongkat kum ki jing batay ki batikana.
La ban pen ken mau ba ka housing department hau menai baladep kala hukum badai ban tokit da katnat kalau ka jing jo da ka seng hinyo tep youth council HYC kabal ong bala sam ye gitin sab yeng ki batat dor sha ki babon ki CNRD blocks hakeleng ka jela KHYC kala kam baki tier bala sam da Haryana Iron Works Private Limited Kolkata kilong ki batat dol bat ki bam long ru ban pendon kam habakren halor kene menteri ketenat housing laong ba ketenat kapai menta ban simno da ki tin sob yeng ki ba kambha.
Yeah, as a minister concerned for housing, I'm very, I'm here to state that the department has gone for the better one, which is aluminum sheet. We have procured as per the recommendation of the technical officers, because CJ sheet is a sheet which is a corrugated galvanized iron, and this is a aluminum corrugated aluminum sheet. Durability wise, aluminum is much more durable, and CJ sheet is not that durable comparing to aluminum sheet. But in comparison of weights and all, CJ sheet is more, having more weight than the aluminum. So people are going for the weight and then saying that it's not as per the direction given by the department, but it's not the fact. The aluminum is lighter, and then CJ is heavier in terms of weight. Basically, the technical reason for procuring aluminum sheet is that it lasts longer than the CJ sheets, and it doesn't get rusted as has been rusted by the CJ sheets. So therefore, we have gone for this aluminum sheet, and we have got the feedback from the people also is very good. It's lasting more also. Therefore, we have procured this one. Since some NGOs have complained, especially HYC, immediately when I got the complaint letter, I immediately ordered for the inquiry. Departmental inquiry is already underway, and then they have gone to the Lok Ayukta also, and Lok Ayukta is also inquiring the matter. But hopefully things will come as per the thing. So far, I'm getting the reports from the department. Things are okay. All the thickness and everything is as per the specification given by the department. So therefore, let's wait and watch. When the inquiry is completed, I'll be able to tell you the detail. What is what.
Chief Executive Member Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Uba Penyat Singh Siem, Ula Ajubab Yakakin Hun King Atiar, Inyotrap National Liberation Council, Daga Bakintu Yaka Bakan Wat Shwai Kijingtem, Hashwa Bakan Birngam Bankin No in Kong Shilang Mat Yau.
UCM mulakan thok yakene apok ka ying darbar thau ain jong council ha ka sngi balang ha ba yisim benta ha ka jing yatai halor ka jing yakhaja ha ka bami ha po ka hima sora namal ka jing pen khai ya ka right mujai ka hinyo trap National Liberation Council HNLC ha ka Southrik Naitung kala berngam ya UCM ka KJDC ba ude ban pendam no mardor ya gejing penbena notification ba pemi dangshen ba ai jing itu ya ka majai kum ka right UCM mula pentip ba ka hima sora dang hakine kindiat sngi kala ai bor ya KJDC halo ka jing penbena ya ka majai kum ka right bat ong ba menta ka executive committee jong ka council ka habu por kala ba hapo ka khatsan terik naitung ka executive darbar ka hima sora ka de ban phalot ya baro ki duliar pata khendau ba kahima ka Aisha ki Barjala hamajai syaka council badyo bishar batle ya ke badon kam
what ikan usi ban yo trading license baki we la ban long lani hakan no kanu benta kelak plia ka jingkhang te ka jing le ka jongi ka long ban perkhing ban khang lat te henrei ka don pat la ka jong ka jing snow pat khamtam habide bat ki kun hajar tege ka jing dawa bat ka jing kerpat jung ki kun hajar na du kasngi baningkong ngalak keren syayaki ba ngin ya penbaik da kalenti ka dan jing sur jing mut bat ngin bat nakalyang jungi ngin burom yaki kun ki hajar henry tang ka wei pa bangasosi kalong habide ban ya keren syapang ka kam hima sora hti kalak bun ba ki kenrum kenram wat hadien ka arja ka khandai bat ngedang yo ru ikikot patah khendo ke bah kahima kala ai kibar jeladang hau arja arpo cheneng te kani kalong ka ege ke bah susi ba nakalyang jungi kum ka district council ka ba pej ba khmi khendo ka siam ba nginem la ban shu ngap nginem la ban shu khaprip iki khmat ban le kulut habangi I kum kini ki kam ba ka ba pen mentoi pen ban yaki barjlah tena kaliang dis council ni shimkhya yakni ka kam but meneh po house ngalapen bena ba ngin aipor ya kahima hadu khat santorik ba kin le ban shimno iki duler ni ki pata khndo ka ba kahima kala dep ban ai yakini ki barjlah hang tipo majai bakin wan pen phai no shagadis council leni ban council hakmat jungi lem komta nakaliang kadis council ngin hab ban shim ya ka bon hakti la jong bangin her ban pen khanra dalade da kadis council ban keni lot barok khai tu jaka bala ayaki barjala katkum ki records but nakaliang jungi hi habangnya keren hoi kadon ke jingkeno ba nga penmi ekeni ko order ban mentoi khai keni katai hoi kadika majai kadika kat khai henry nga so kumni lada comeback ke sinshar khadar lada comeback ke sinshar da kurkom ka badai le se hangta le hakakam khai nang yo lat ki brio banabar tenga nga so ban ong ba ngan kentui ki khon ki hajar so bah ban ya trelang bat ngi dis council abai dip kani ngiru ngenya ai jingkershan ka ba pura but kani ka notification ka bangi itu right yang ka majairu ngi klem ai kanu ka bor ka balai luat yaki lakajong henry ka hap hipo ka himasora katkum kani ka 3 tier system jong sinsha khadar tenrai ka bangi don hari khasi ngidon ka hima ka rai barkashno ki keren komba ngadai unong khai ngadai unong sinsha te abun ki complaints ki bawan syaka dis council wat hakakam khai shathiru hakajing bom le renti nakaliang kahima hakabede ban ailat ya ka kam khai shathi te ho nyimdei ka bor le si bentuklar ya ka kam khai te henrei kabangila banyarap iki parado prasnam ngatrangin hap hi banyarap te henrei ban syukenno bangan mentoi shimet manganati kala kata ka bomla banlong ka bangamla ban pediang but yeki brio yeki khasi kharahi ngadon ka hok ban yarap la kanu hanu ka jaka henrei ba kin penan kam le tu kentien but kin tho yangi kalong ke bangi mla ban pediang but namar takadau nakaliang jungi hi nginam la ban shu ailat ya ka hima bakin le ka bomon hangte po majai
ka sarkar jala kala pelaj pajba ya ka Hello Meghalaya OTT platform kabalong ka program baningkong e ba ka jala Meghalaya kala le apo ri India haba kani yarap shibun e ban kintiu harensan ya kiriu don sap hagaliang ka kam snaplim ki kamput kamtem pat kiwe ya kani la pelaj dau menteri rang ba ka jala hapo ka jingetri lang hapedeng ka Meghalaya Grassroots Music Project MGMP pat ka Hard Rock Cafe
Hakan program na don lang uba polling do Menteri Ketenaga Tourism uba Donald P. Waklang Chief Secretary ke Sarkar Jila bat kiwe ki hair officer. Habakran ha kejinggelang Menteri rang ba ulaong ba kane ka OTT platform kalong ru banjara pisa ya kito kinong sna film kinong penmi idor ki kibala ban kring bon kinong pej nang ta ki samla ne kinong song snong ki badon sap ha kaput ketem bat kiwe Hakane program la don ru kajing sam kusnam sha ki khat sangot ki bru ki badon la ki sap per ki balong kum ki nongkring bat wan ra jingkela hakajla.
Can we have a big round of applause as we welcome our dignitaries this evening? Hello Meghalaya is an OTT platform
designed exclusively for the people of Meghalaya.
But if you're a filmmaker who wants to tell a story,
Any musician who wants to share and connect with the audience, who's always pushing the boundaries of creativity. You not only get to do what you love, but you also get paid.
This is really what we are trying to do out here. If you heard the speech of the Chief Secretary as well as the Honorable Tourism Minister, you will be able to connect the dots and see that there is a real process and an effort to really bring the youth forward in our state. Whenever we started programming and making policies for the state government and for the people, we realized that if we are going to make programs that are individual and in silos, we may not be able to achieve, or we may ultimately miss the larger picture. And therefore, 6 years back when we started working and we formed the government, and now we are in MDA 2, we started looking at what we called the stakeholder approach, which means that we will not be program or policy driven, but we will be stakeholder driven. Now, who are the stakeholders? It's the women in our society who are stakeholders. It is the youth who are important stakeholders. It is the farmers who are important stakeholders. And so on and so forth. And hence, the youth being a very, very important stakeholder in the state of Meghalaya, you would have seen that in the last many years, multiple programs have come out in multiple ways to actually tap what Paul had just mentioned, to tap the energy of the youth of our state. What Paul said was a very, very important point. The youth, like the way the water flows, is a very, very powerful energy. It is our policies and programs and the way the government will work. It will ensure that this powerful energy will become either a destructive force or a constructive force. And that's really the mindset with which we are always looking at this issue and ensuring that we are able to channelize this energy that is there in the youth. The last time when I had spoken to my team about MGMP and looking at all these different programs that we're doing, you know, our idea is to create value. You see, it's not about just showcasing your talent. Yes, we have talent, and yes, we should showcase it. But how does this talent convert into livelihood? How does this livelihood convert into different earnings for our people? How can we collaborate with the industry? How do we make it an industrial system? How do we create a music economy? How do we create a movie economy? It's not about just music, not about just sports, but how do we create a sports economy? What is activity that will ensure that while we invest in all of this for the youth, the music and the sports, we need to create livelihood and we need to ensure that the economy also is affected by it. And that's why this entire platform is all connected to all these issues, and that's why they just mentioned to you about the economy also. But I just wanted to let you know that these are all factors that have come into our thought process while we're planning all of this. So really we're looking forward to this happening. I also want to share with you that I had the opportunity to meet our Honorable Prime Minister once, and I mentioned about this OTT platform to him, and he was very excited to hear about it. And he was mentioning that he would be very happy to see our local boys and girls from here who are focused on their traditional music, especially traditional music, and how that music can be collaborated with another state's cultural music, and how there could be some fusion between the local cultural music from this state with another state, and how you could create unique music and fusion music out of that. And this is one aspect that I would really like to also support. I would like to see that our cultural, the musics, the traditional musics, the music instruments that we have, how can these be then connected to other parts of the country and even the world? Because that's what will be very distinct about us.
Ki kemegi kpa jongki kena elekai karate nakasinjuk Meghalaya State Karate Do Federation kabadan halat kor kinton umon hakasngi balang kilami syakmat ban ujuar pat ban kenno ya ka jingshim kabu jong ka te slam ai jing hikai jong uba doni rani pat kalok jong u ka kong Anita Songthiang
Habakan jikila pathai ku bon man kaliang jong ki pa kila phla ba kane ka simjuk leng ba ka club secretary ka kong ban job lin khar mudai bat ka kong Anita Songthiang kila pathai ki pa jong kinong ya lekai ba ki dei ban siu 10% na ka kais award bat ki kena ki yo pedang na ka sarkar bat kumjuru Sanspa tengka man ubnai na ka scholarship nalor ka bai coaching ka balong Sanspa tengka man lau ubnai
kerteng jongar ka di Jessica bla te ngar ngamad kita ki ju ki jingsham ki bai ong doktor Andre indangala lekran yi ya kata ka jingpha jong i kita ki khana ya kata ka bai lekai te i ong yang ba hakakot hubor tho ban pha yalam ka bajok len khan mudai te kata ka bajok len khan mudai ka hapo kakot hubor tho ban kan long tangkum ka as a team manager bakan le hande indala poi sathi ki pen long coach yaka tenga khamtip ai kata hoi la da kade makana ka bahayeng jongar hande ngamtip ai kata kumno ka yo certificate thok kumno shina certificate yaka bakan la ban long coach ru yakata ngamtip shisha te dang step i don ba phone yang abo ong pitep ne em ka tu ka hep kan si jong phi kalong coach ki khon jong phi chate ngashu kan det hamta tenga pen i kata ru ikpa mong ong ngape ini para jong phi ti ikpa irki namar bapli mo iru imtip ai mangir imtip ai te dah hadian pan kadon bat ka profi kisen ki marjan yang a tani ka certificate pej ba kani ka certificate kisen ki marjan yang a te ka jingshna jong ka certificate ru ngam tip hok la dang ade bahyeng ru ngam tip mano ba penshnai kani ka certificate coach jong ka ru ngam tip ne tip kashna la deru ngam tip ya kata te marsen yo e kani ngale chayong sadoni ngong ngaya kendu i habar idang thatjan bat ikong Anita ilok jong i te ngong sa ngalong ban yakren bat phi ong long ali rong hayeng dang ila lung hayeng ila yakren ba ita isadoni ngong kumno sar phi le ben long coach da ka bampat dei ka khna sport persen du kam dei ka dei tangka asha bat ngatip ba ka dei tangka asha bat ba ko ong ba ngat dei kum ka NGO kade ka senglong kemir hasnong ni tip tang bakum tahi baka de kata ka NGO bat ka senglong kemir na hasnong madarting te ngaong ye isa kum ta ngaong long se mo sar ba phin pen long coach da ka ba klempat puli ka klempat le exam ye ka coach karate ru isar irkhi isa doni nang dang ning kong irkhi ong em kamlong kam dei kum ta te ndang ala pen in ngapen i ka ni kan ya ka ni te ong hana o bang pen long tang shi phang ndawan nang thi ngan sakni loi kan certificate to kata kala put mo tenala dep nang ta dap shi dap artayo lai tayo te don ki parents bapli ki ba ikot meeting ikot kata ka meeting I ong ba kata ka meeting ka papenlong I ong bang I hapsiu ya kata ka 10% na ka cash award jong ki khana bat Sanspa tingka na ka scholarship jong ki khana ngapat ya kata ka jingpan jong I kata ka cash award dang ningkong ong lada impan ru kade yang I ban buron namar ki khun jong I kila iyo ya kata ka namo lembah ka jing hikai jong I long ngam dak ta than ya kata mo ba ide nga ai ya kata ka 10% bang ada ong isa ni ko sa ngampat yo ban le sei namar ki ada ka cash te up shitayo artayo ti ong to Ndrei dalayat kisi ki po nang katapan dalayat kita kisngi kita yo ki banai hadian kat tu kat ni por pat ikut meeting ye ki parents te kata ka meeting nga khamle te ka bakon long meeting ki bakot ya kata ka meeting de ikong Anita Songthiang bat ka bajok len khan budai ki penlong ya kata ka meeting hapo jong kahyeng jong ita isa pensyai te ki marjan jong I ki balek ki ong baha kata ka meeting bala ong ki parents baro khoj ban siu ya kata ka san parsis ya kata ka scholarship jongki khana sanspa man ubenai te don lagi parents jongi ba ki baduk ki bateng-teng bakin pha le kai ki khul ki haban ba da karam te nalor kata ka 10% ka ba ilapan menta ipan so lagi khana e kata ka scholarship ka bakam dei hok ba inyo namar ka scholarship bat ka cash award ukon rat uai na benta ki khana bakin yo ban kershan daladi yaladi henry menta kum ka Lorenza ka ba penlong ya kata ka meeting ngasmo kala baklajur bakapan ya kanika ka awards ka bikipan man na ubenai bakin ai syaki san spa na ka scholarship man ubenai plus ki parent habaki pha ki kon bakin le training ha ka school jongki isiu san spa shi benai man la ubenai ni hab kata ka monthly fees ka balong san spa shi benai te plus ki bay register shi phang i ong register ar hajar na benta kata ka jingle kai barok khoi shwa ka national pat i ong register sa shi hajar uwe khna te ka basosi pat ka long kumne kan menta don ngawan hang ni om banga ngawan hang ni bangan support kini ngawan ban support lang i doktor o ya i du ru namar ba kini ki khna ba pli kim pat yo lat ban siu ya kata ka 10% bat ya kata ka scholarship ke baki kipan na ka benta baki 4 ai ya kata ka scholarship ibe yaki bat ida keren haya kata ka jingbe te ngam don henry ngam yo iru henry kat kum ka jing ya thu gi kimi ki pa ba ong baki be igi khun jongki te ka long ka babakla kan ban be igi khna tang namar ba impat siu ya kata ka scholarship ke baki pan namar teng hapden ka jing du habdeng ka jing duk ni kikikum kikimi kikpa habangi pha iki khun ban le school ru kinong hikai kidang up ladang impat la ban si by school hendrei kam dei gen kum ta bakin be
ki de khot jong ka MSMA ki bakin thop ya ki sautali ki jingale kai ka karate kickboxing wushu bajit kunedo klami shakmat ban pin shai halor ka jing pin mi khubor jong ki saut ki long kme per shai oba doni rani halo ka jingya lit shim benta shakarin sani le kai jongka All India KIO National Karate Championship kabalada ban pelong hau benai jemang hapo Dehradun
hakane ka jingwan ban penshai ba doni roni shim la satya banwan hi dalade namar ba da don hapdeng kamet kaphat ka ba koi bakhya pen ban la wan ban mikmat da ka Lorenza Songtiang kong bajoblin khan mudai bat uba Celestine Susngi kine baro lagut kilakan tai lut waria ke ke ba ki sangut kilong kmi bakan thop kong Jessica Bla Sylvia Dakar ke nong klau bi khar bithai kila wan shikmat kilat patai kubor bat kila late bakin dabu sendon da kajing ujo shikmat katnat sports bat kumju sha ka MSOA halor ki babon ki jingle bamshong nia jong uba doni penbana kaliang ka Lorenza kong bajoblin bat ba Celestian ha ka jingwan penshai pat ka jongki kila kantai hiwar kata na duk ke kam lej jale ka ya karate Dehradun nangta ka jingshim bha na ka khusnam pisa bat scholarship ba ai da ka sarkar sigi khna ile kai pat kumjuru ka penyo certificate bat takma da kalenti bamde ya we na ki no ile kai ka kickboxing la penshai ru halo ka jingsha keno long coach jong ka kong bajoblin ka ba na kaliang ka jongka ka lapan pau ba ka ka ba lapan pau hakilat patai kubor ka dei tang ka ID balik banya le kai Dehradun bat kam de setia ka certificate coach ke bapura
press conference ba ni wan ban ai kata ka jing penshai halo ka jing sha kan tho jang isa doni ran joni dengan ade kong bajoblin kam dai bat ngade ru I ba la le kai ya ka kickboxing hapo state level nangta khendiat hi kwa ban a jing sai halo ka jing kran jong I kong Dr. Sylvia Menin ba I ong ba ki khna mo ba le kai sapo Dehradun man ha kane kila du ban le kai ya ka jing le kai ka jong ki namar ba kim don kata ka sub junior ha ka jing shisha man la ka por ka bangi ni julai ban le kai cha sport national ki bon sen hi ya ki sub junior ki sek kan thuplang ha ka cadets te men ha ka neru ha ka nadu ka khandai tarik hadu ka khada tarik jong benai mi katu ka jingle kai ka tournament ke badan hapo Uttarakhand ha katu ka poru tane ka kom aya ka invitation yangi ka long ba ki tho for cadets junior under 21 but senior te kini baro ki kenthop kini ki cadets ki shet kenthop ya ka sub junior tengi ru ni khlam koi pakhat ba ya katu ka ya kini ki sub junior ki bangi ni la ya lam na do da shlong chadu chat Uttarakhand bakin kinum sha ban le kai ha katu ka tournament haka jing shisha bonsen haka independence cup kabla long men hausne marja atul lai apo Delhi Talkatora hangtoru kidan sibun ba ki kimi ki ba pha ba kwa ban pha ki khna ban le kai ka sub junior rei deina ka dau jong ka jing bamla ban le registration ni ki khna nang ni na posted jong ni te ni la ya lam no tang ya ki junior sejrong ki sub junior bat ki junior ni la ya lam bat ki senior ni ya le rei ndang ni la poi ha pot Delhi ya ka to ka independence cup ni ya i ni la ba wat ki khna ki ba ha po jong ka khandai sinem ru ki yo ban le kai te ni la lek ban pili na kadau kumno sat na bani nim yo re ban thep kertengi kini ki khna ki ong ma kini ki khna ki ba po jong ka khandai sinem ki ha po ka under sub junior category te hakani ka champion ka hakani ka karate championship ka balang ha po Dehradun ru ni perkhat bek kumtahi kamdai ra bangi ni la tip lepa tadi bangi ni la tip lepa na do na state la jong ba ki sub junior kim dan te balai hi ni ru ni alam ki khna kalau kajing keno jongki kalau kajing keno kabam dan nongrim kan hai ru te nangta kadang kajing sha kan tho ru ba kumno manga ka bajablim kharmudai kabam pat pas ya ka coach sat kamdan sat i ong ba nganga yo ya kata ka certificate coach handrai pe kani kamdai ka certificate coach itu ikong wan ai social media menin ikong Jessica bla itu i syukran lapla namar imla ide illiterate woman kumno namar im tho fakani kade ka ID ka ba valid only from 9 to 12 tang ha ka competition te balai menin i pen mi ha social media i amba ngala le tu ya kane ka certificate kani kade ka certificate na ka ID i hab ma i shwa ban kiran jing sha la de ban pet ban clarify in ide ban nang ban clarify la kade ka certificate na kade ka ID
Haswa bangin penkut no ngeni apa biang shigimat bakong san sa shisien badak itu ngilapoi sya ka bakut jong kani ka thup kubor yin sai syam biang bapia ka wepat ka tayo kublai jibon tiasa